B&M stores do tend to have a lot of imported stuff, and this is no different. This is a Twirl Breakaway wafer, mint flavour. I've never had a Twirl Breakaway. It's Australian, and it's a twirl with a wafer, so potentially a Kit Kat, and it's a mint flavour from Cadbury. It's official Cadbury product, but it's Cadbury Australia rather than Cadbury in the UK. There is a description. It says ribbons of indulgent mint flavoured milk chocolate with crispy wafer. Twirl has to be one of the best Cadbury's bars, in my humble opinion. Love a Twirl. It's a chocolate sensation with those ribbons, like it says, of chocolate. So here we go. This is your standard Twirl with a bit of wafer in it, and a nice minty smell emanating from the chocolate. So, as I say, I've never had one of these before. There's like 2 layers of wafer with the chocolate ribbon in the middle. So Kit Kat is more layered than that, but that's really, really nice. Nice mint flavour coming through in the taste as it did in the smell. Cadbury's chocolate and a nice crispy wafery texture as you're eating it. I've got no complaints for that. Those are £1 in B&M, and I would probably purchase those again if they was a little bit cheaper.